Now on BBC Radio 4, time for the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Tuesday, the 26th of December. There are warnings of gales in Dogger, Fisher, Germanbight, Humber, Thames, Dover, Fitzroy and Seoul. The general synopsis at 1800, low Scotland 992, moving away rapidly east by 1800 Tuesday. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours: Viking north at Sarah, south at Sarah, northwesterly 3 to 5, increasing 6 or 7, wintry thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. 40s, Cromarty 4th, cyclonic becoming northwest 5 to 7, then variable 4, then east 4 or 5 later, rain, then showers, perhaps thundery in 40s and Cromarty, good, occasionally poor. Tyne, Dogger, west or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in Dogger, becoming variable 4 later, showers, good, occasionally moderate. Fisher, cyclonic 4 to 6, becoming west or northwest 6 to gale 8, rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. Germanbight, Humber, Thames, west or southwest 6 to gale 8, veering southwest 5 or 6, then becoming variable 4 later in Humber and Thames, showers, good. Dover, White, southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in Dover, becoming variable 4, then south 4 or 5 later, rain at first and later, good, occasionally moderate. Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, west or southwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later, rain at times, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, variable 3, becoming southwesterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later, in northwest, fair, good. Fitzroy, Seoul, variable 4 at first in Seoul, otherwise southwest 4 to 6, backing south 6 to gale 8 later, perhaps severe gale 9 later, fair, then rain, good, occasionally moderate. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, west 5 to 7, becoming variable 3 or 4, then south or southeast 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, Rockall, Malin, west or northwest 5 to 7, becoming variable 3 or 4, then southeast 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later, showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides, Bailey, northwest veering northeast 4 or 5, then southeast 5 to 7 later, wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes, northwesterly veering northeasterly, then southeasterly later 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in north, thundery, wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, northeasterly veering southeasterly 4 to 6, thundery snow showers, good, occasionally very poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic, north by west 5, recent drizzle, 30 miles, 999, rising quickly. Stornoway, west-northwest 2, recent rain, more than 38 miles, 999, rising. Lerwick, west-northwest 4, 8 miles, 993, rising slowly. Weak Automatic, west-northwest 3. Aberdeen, northwest by west 3, 30 miles, 995, rising. Lucas, northeast by north 3, rain, 1 mile, 995, rising. Boomer, west by south 5, 14 miles, 995, rising slowly. Bridlington, west-southwest 5, 998, rising slowly. Sandetti, light vessel automatic, west-southwest 8, 5 miles, 1007. St. Catherine's Point automatic, west by south 5, 1009, rising slowly. Jazzy, southwest by west 5, 7 miles, 1013, steady. Channel light vessel automatic, west by south 5, 1012. Scilly automatic, west 4, 9 miles, 1013, rising slowly. Milford Haven, west by north 4, 14 miles, 1009, rising slowly. Aberporth, west by south 6, 15 miles, 1008, rising slowly. Valley, west-southwest 5, 12 miles, 1005, rising. Liverpool Crosby, west by south 7, mist, 3 miles, 1003, rising. Valencia, west-northwest 4, 8 miles, 1012, rising. Ronaldsway, west by south 6, 1002, rising. Malinhead, north by west 6, slight showers. 9 miles, 999, rising. Machrihanish Automatic, northwest by west 5, recent precipitation, 13 miles, 997, rising. Here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Monday, the 25th of December. General situation: the low pressure which was centered over Scotland is clearing away to the east, allowing a showery northwesterly flow to prevail through Boxing Day. A new low pressure system moving in from the Atlantic on Wednesday will bring further rain and gales to the coastal waters, with storm-force southeasterly winds for a time across Scotland. From Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, northwesterly 4 to 6, veering northeasterly, then easterly later 3 to 5. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed, north 4 or 5, backing northwest 5 to 7, then becoming variable 3 or 4 later. Rain at first in south, showers later. Good, occasionally moderate at first in south. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby, southwest veering northwest 5 or 6, then becoming variable 3 or 4 later. Occasional rain at first. Good, occasionally moderate at first. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, southwest veering northwest 5 to 7, then becoming variable 3 or 4 later. Showers for a time. Good. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, westerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, becoming variable 3 or 4 later. Fair. Good. North Foreland to Selseybill, southwesterly 5 to 7, veering westerly 4 or 5, then becoming variable 3, then southeasterly 4 or 5 later. Rain at first in east, then fair, rain later. Good, occasionally moderate. Selseybill to Lyme Regis, west 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, becoming variable 2 or 3, then southeast 4 or 5 later. Rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, west 4 or 5, becoming variable 3 or less, then southeast 4 or 5, then veering southwest 6 or 7 later. Rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Land's End to St. David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, west 5 or 6, becoming variable 3 or less, then southeast, then veering southwest later 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. St. David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St. George's Channel, west 5 to 7, becoming variable 3 or less, then southeast 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Showers for a time in north, rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, southwest veering northwest 5 to 7, then becoming variable 3 or 4, then southeast 5 or 6 later. Showers at first, then fair, rain later in south. Good, occasionally moderate later in south. Isle of Man, west 6 or 7, veering northwest 3 to 5, becoming variable 3 or less later, then southeast 5 or 6, mainly fair, rain later. Good, occasionally moderate later. Lochfoyle to Carlingford Loch, west 5 to 7, veering northwest 4 or 5, then becoming variable 3 or less, then southeast 6 or 7 later. Showers at first, then fair, rain later in south. Good, occasionally moderate later in south. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Northwesterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, becoming variable 3 or less, then southeasterly 5 to 7 later. Showers. Good. Mon of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Northwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, becoming variable 3 or less, then southeast 5 to 7 later. Showers. Good. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Northwest 3 to 5, becoming variable 2 to 4, then southeast 5 or 6 later. Wintry showers, perhaps thundery in north. Good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles. Northwest 4 or 5, veering north 5 or 6, then northeast 3 or 4 later. Wintry showers, perhaps thundery. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin. And that's all from us here at BBC Radio 4 for tonight. I am Neil Nunes, wishing you a very good night. Now on BBC Radio 4, the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Wednesday the 27th of December. There are warnings of gales in all areas except Trafalgar. The general synopsis at 1800. New lows expected Fair Isle 976 and Rockall 976 by 1800 Wednesday. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Sarah, south at Sarah. Northerly 5 to 7, veering southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9, perhaps storm 10 later, except in north at Sarah. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Forties, Cromarty, 4th, Tyne, Dogger. Variable 4 becoming southeast 5 or 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 in Forties and Cromarty, then veering southwest 6 to gale 8 later. Rain with sleet in Forties and Cromarty, good, occasionally poor. Fisher, German Bight, northwest 5 to 7, veering southeast 2 to 4, increasing 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later in Fisher, then veering southwest 6 or 7 later. Rain, moderate or good. Humber, Thames, Dover, White, Portland. Southeast 3 to 5, veering south or southwest 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Plymouth, Biscay. South or southwest 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 or severe gale 9 for a time. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar. Southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in northwest. Rain in northwest, moderate or good. Fitzroy, Seoul, south or southwest 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 later in Seoul. Rain, then thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. Southeast 6 to gale 8, veering southwest 7 to severe gale 9, perhaps storm 10 later. Rain, thundery showers later. Good, occasionally poor. Shannon, Rockall. Cyclonic 7 to severe gale 9, becoming southwesterly gale 8 to storm 10 later in Shannon. Rain, then thundery showers. Good, occasionally poor. Malin, southeast 6 or 7, increasing gale 8 to storm 10, then veering southwest 6 to gale 8 later. Rain or sleet, moderate or poor. Hebrides, Bailey. Southeasterly 6 to gale 8, backing easterly severe gale 9 to violent storm 11, then becoming cyclonic 4 to 6 later in south. Rain or sleet, moderate or poor. Fair Isle, Faroes, southeast Iceland. Easterly or southeasterly 4 to 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10, perhaps violent storm 11 later, except in southeast Iceland. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic, southeast by east 6, 27 miles, 1010, falling. Stornoway, east-southeast 4, recent rain, 30 miles, 1013, falling slowly. Lerwick, northeast 3, 24 miles, 1017, rising slowly. Wick Automatic, east-southeast 4. Aberdeen, north 1, 19 miles, 1017, now falling. Lucas, west by north 1, 9 miles, 1016, steady. Boomer, west-southwest 2, 16 miles, 1017, rising slowly. Bridlington, north 1, 1017, now falling. Sandetti, light vessel automatic, southeast by south 4, 11 miles, 1018. St. Catherine's Point automatic, southeast 3, 1016, falling more slowly. Jersey, south by east 4, 12 miles, 1016, falling slowly. Channel, light vessel automatic, south-southwest 5, 1014. Scilly automatic, south 7, 5 miles, 1009, falling. Milford Haven, southeast 6, slight rain, 2 miles, 1009, falling quickly. Aberporth, southeast 6, rain, 7 miles, 1009, falling quickly. Valley, southeast by south 5, slight rain, 4 miles, 1011, falling. Liverpool Crosby, southeast 3, 14 miles, 1014, falling. Valencia, south by west 6, moderate rain, 1.5 miles, 996, falling quickly. Ronaldsway, southeast 6, 1011, falling more slowly. Malinhead, southeast by east 7, 27 miles, 1007, falling quickly. Machrihanish automatic, east-southeast 5, 32 miles, 1011, falling. Here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Tuesday, the 26th of December. General situation: on Wednesday, the low-pressure system, which has been named Storm Garrett, will move northeast over Scotland, bringing rain and gales to the coastal waters, with storm-force southeasterly winds for a time in northern Scotland. On Thursday, rain and southwesterly gales are expected across the UK. From Cape Wrath to Ratchway Head, including Orkney, east or southeast 4 to 6, increasing gale 8 to storm 10, then veering southwest 6 to gale 8 later, showers, rain or sleet for a time, good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Ratchway Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed, east 3 or 4, veering southeast 5 to 7, then increasing gale 8 to storm 10, then veering southwest 6 to gale 8 later, showers, rain for a time, good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby, southeast 304, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, then veering southwest 6 to gale 8 later. Rain for a time, showers later. Good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, southeast 304, increasing 5 or 6, then 7 or gale 8, then veering southwest 6 to gale 8 later. Rain for a time, showers later. Good, occasionally poor. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, southeasterly 3 to 5, veering southerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Occasional rain until later. Good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Seltzer-Bill, southeasterly 3 to 5, veering southerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain at times, showers later. Good, occasionally moderate. Seltzer-Bill to Lyme Regis, south or southwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain at times, showers later. Good, occasionally moderate. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, south 5 or 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, then veering southwest 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain at times, showers later. Good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St. David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, southeast 5 or 6, veering south or southwest 7 to severe gale 9, perhaps storm 10 later. Rain at times, showers later. Good, occasionally poor. St. David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St. George's Channel, southeast 5 to 7, veering south or southwest 7 to severe gale 9, perhaps storm 10 later. Rain at times, thundery showers later. Good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Southeast 5 or 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, then veering southwest later. Rain, thundery showers later. Good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man. Southeast 7 or gale 8, veering south 7 to severe gale 9, then southwest 6 to gale 8. Heavy rain, then showers, moderate or poor, becoming mainly good. Lochfoyle to Carlingford Loch. Southeast 6 or 7, increasing gale 8 or severe gale 9, then veering southwest 6 to gale 8 later. Rain at first, then showers, thundery at times. Good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southeasterly 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 or severe gale 9, then veering southwesterly 6 to gale 8 later. Rain at first, then showers, thundery at times. Good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnmerkin Point, southeast 6 or 7, increasing gale 8 or severe gale 9, then veering southwest 5 to 7 later. Rain or sleet at first, then showers, thundery at times later. Good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Ardnmerkin Point to Cape Wrath, southeast 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 to storm 10, then veering southwest 5 to 7 later. Showers, rain or sleet for a time. Good, becoming moderate or poor for a time. Shetland Isles, northeast 3 or 4, veering east 6 or 7, then increasing gale 8 to storm 10 later. Wintry showers, sleet later. Good, occasionally poor, becoming moderate or poor later. And that completes the shipping bulletin. That's all from us here at BBC Radio 4 for tonight. I am Neil Nunes, wishing you a very good night. Now on BBC Radio 4, it's time for the shipping forecast, issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Thursday, the 28th of December. There are warnings of gales in all areas except Biscay and Trafalgar. The general synopsis at 1800, low Hebrides 970, expected Rockall 977 by 1800 Thursday. New low expected Trafalgar 1018 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Sarah, south at Sarah. Southeasterly severe gale 9 to violent storm 11, veering southwesterly 5 to 7, decreasing 3 to 5 except in south at Sarah. Snow, then squally showers, poor or very poor, becoming good, occasionally poor. Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger. Southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in Forties and Dogger. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Fisher, southeasterly 7 to severe gale 9, at first in northeast, otherwise southwesterly 6 to gale 8, decreasing 5 or 6 for a time. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. German Bight, Humber, Thames, Dover, southwest 6 to gale 8, increasing severe gale 9 for a time, showers, thundery later, good, occasionally poor later. White, Portland, Plymouth, southwest 6 to gale 8, squally showers, thundery later, good, occasionally poor. Biscay, southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first in northwest, but variable 2 to 4 in southeast. Rain, good, occasionally moderate. Trafalgar, southeast Fitzroy, cyclonic 4 to 6, but variable 4 or less in southeast Trafalgar. Thundery rain, good, occasionally poor. Northwest Fitzroy, Seoul, southwesterly 6 to gale 8, decreasing 5 or 6, squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, southwest 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 at first in Irish Sea, veering west later in Shannon, decreasing 6 or 7 later in Lundy and Fastnet, squally showers, thundery except in Shannon, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Southwest 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic 7 to severe gale 9. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides, Bailey, cyclonic gale 8 to storm 10, becoming northeast 6 to gale 8. Squally wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes, cyclonic in Fair Isle but northeast in Faroes, gale 8 to storm 10, decreasing 6 to gale 8, sleet and snow, then squally wintry showers, poor or very poor, becoming good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, northeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first in southeast, decreasing 3 to 5 later in west. Snow showers, good, occasionally poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree automatic, southwest by west 5, 19 miles, 980, rising slowly. Stornoway, southwest 5, slight rain, 22 miles, 974, rising slowly. Lerwick, east 10, 1600 meters, 981, falling very rapidly. Wick automatic, west-southwest 5. Aberdeen, southwest 4, 32 miles, 980, rising. Lucas, west-southwest 4, 22 miles, 982, now falling. Boomer, southwest 4, 5 miles, 985, rising slowly. Bridlington, southwest by south 4, 992, now falling. Sandetti, light vessel automatic, southwest 8, 5 miles, 1006. Greenwich, light vessel automatic, southwest 7, 2 miles, 1008. St. Catherine's Point automatic, west-southwest 8, 1006, rising slowly. Jersey, southwest 6, 7 miles, 1011, rising. Channel, light vessel automatic, west-northwest 7, 1007. Scilly automatic, southwest 8, recent precipitation, 3 miles, 1004, rising. Milford Haven, southwest 5, mist, 4 miles, 996, rising slowly. Aberporth, southwest 7, recent precipitation, 6 miles, 994, now rising. Valley, southwest 8, recent fog, 6 miles, 990, now rising. Liverpool Crosby, southwest 7, recent rain, 5 miles, 990, falling. Valencia, west by south 7, slight showers, 6 miles, 993, rising very rapidly. Ronaldsway, southwest 6, 986, falling slowly. Malinhead, southwest by south 6, 27 miles, 983, rising slowly. Machrihanish automatic, southwest by west 5, recent rain, 27 miles, 983, rising slowly. Here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Wednesday, the 27th of December. General situation: a low centre near Orkney will move away northeast, as another low to the northwest of Hebrides will move south or southeast over Scotland during Thursday, with gales affecting the coastal waters and storms at first locally in Irish Sea and near Shetland. The low will move away east with a weak ridge building and winds easing off for most on Friday. From Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, cyclonic 6 to gale 8, becoming northwest 4 to 6. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed, southwest 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic later. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby, southwest 6 to gale 8, squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, southwest 6 to gale 8, squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Southwesterly 6 to gale 8. Squally showers, perhaps thundery later. Good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Southwesterly 6 to gale 8. Occasionally severe gale 9 in northeast. Squally showers, perhaps thundery later. Good, occasionally poor. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. Southwest 6 to gale 8. Squally showers, perhaps thundery later. Good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. Southwest 6 to gale 8. Squally showers, perhaps thundery later. Good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St. David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Southwest 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 5 to 7 later. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. St. David's Head to Great Warm Head, including St. George's Channel. Southwest gale 8 to storm 10, decreasing 6 to gale 8. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Great Warm Head to the Mull of Galloway. Southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man. West or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in the south. Showers, moderate or poor, soon becoming mainly good. Loch Fall to Carlingford Loch. Southwest 5 to 7, increasing 7 or gale 8. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southwesterly 5 to 7, increasing 7 or gale 8. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Southwest 6 to gale 8, increasing gale 8 or severe gale 9, becoming cyclonic 5 to 7 later. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Southwest 7 to severe gale 9, becoming cyclonic 5 to 7. Then north 5 or 6 later. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles, east becoming cyclonic, gale 8 to storm 10. Then north or northwest 4 to 6. Sleet or snow, then showers, poor or very poor, becoming good. And that completes the Shipping Bulletin. That's all from us for tonight here on BBC Radio 4. I am Neil Nunes, wishing you a very good night.
Sailing by. Now on BBC Radio 4, the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Saturday the 30th of December. There are warnings of gales in all areas except North Utsira and Trafalgar. The general synopsis at 1800. Low Viking 980 expected Denmark 1002 by 1800 Saturday. Atlantic low 972 expected Rockall 967 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking North Utsira, South Utsira. Cyclonic 6 to gale 8, becoming northeasterly 4 to 6, veering southeasterly 6 to gale 8 later. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Forties Cromarty. Northwest 7 to severe gale 9, becoming cyclonic 3 to 5, then southeast 6 to gale 8 later. Rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Fourth Tyne Dogger. West 5 to 7, occasionally 8 at first in Dogger, backing southeast 6 to gale 8 later. Rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Fisher German Bight. West 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic 5 to 7 later. Showers then rain, good, occasionally poor. Humber, Thames, Dover, White. West backing south later, 6 to gale 8. Squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Portland, Plymouth, Biscay. South or southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8. Occasionally severe gale 9, except in Portland. Showers or thundery rain, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, variable 2 to 4, becoming westerly 4 or 5 later in north, fair, good. Fitzroy, Seoul. Southerly or southwesterly, veering westerly later, 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally 6 in South Fitzroy, occasionally storm 10 later in Seoul. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. West 4 to 6, backing south or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 except in Irish Sea. Showers or thundery rain, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, south veering west later, 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 later, rain then thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Rockall Malin, east or southeast 5 to 7, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8 later, rain then thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides Bailey Fair Isle Faroes, north or northeast 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in Fair Isle and Faroes, veering east or northeast 7 to severe gale 9 later. Showers then thundery rain, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, easterly or northeasterly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8 later, wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree automatic, north 3, 24 miles, 1003, rising more slowly. Stornoway, northwest 3, mist, 24 miles, 1003, rising slowly. Lerwick, north-northeast 6, slight rain, 2 miles, 991, rising. Wick, northwest 6, rain, 8 miles, 990, rising more slowly. Aberdeen, west-northwest 5, 32 miles, 998, rising slowly. Lucas, west 4, 27 miles, 1001, rising more slowly. Boomer, west-southwest 3, 15 miles, 1002, rising. Bridlington, southwest by west 3, 1002, rising slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, west by south 6, 11 miles, 1010. Greenwich light vessel automatic, 5 miles, 1012. St Catherine's Point automatic, west 5, 1012, rising slowly. Jersey west by south 4, 7 miles, 1015, rising slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, west-southwest 5, 1013. Scilly automatic, southwest 5, slight drizzle, 6 miles, 1011, falling slowly. Milford Haven, west by south 4, 16 miles, 1010, rising more slowly. Aberporth, west by south 5, 22 miles, 1009, rising slowly. Valley, west-southwest 5, 14 miles, 1007, rising slowly. Liverpool Crosby, west by south 6, mist, 3 miles, 1005, rising more slowly. Valentia, southeast 2, moderate drizzle, 8 miles, 1004, falling quickly. Ronaldsway, west by north 3, 1004, rising. Malin Head, south by west 3, 13 miles, 1004, rising slowly. Machrihanish automatic, mist, 22 miles, 1004, rising. Now the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300. The general situation: a low to the northeast of Scotland moves away with gales easing for a time. An Atlantic low will then bring rain and further gales for most of the weekend, with severe gales and thunderstorms possible in some western parts. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Northwest 6 to gale 8, veering northeast 4 to 6, then east 7 to severe gale 9 later. Squally showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed. West or northwest 6 to gale 8, becoming variable 2 to 4, then south or southeast 6 to gale 8 later. Squally showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. West 4 to 6, backing south 3 to 5, then southeast 6 to gale 8 later. Showers then rain, good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. West or southwest 5 to 7, backing south or southeast 4 or 5, increasing 6 to gale 8 later. Showers, good. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Westerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, backing southerly 6 to gale 8 later. Squally showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Westerly 4 to 6, backing southwesterly 4 or 5, then southerly 6 to gale 8 later. Squally showers, rain later. Good, occasionally poor. Selseybill to Lyme Regis. West backing southwest 4 to 6, then south 6 to gale 8 later. Squally showers, then rain. Good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. South or southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later. Showers, then thundery rain. Good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. West backing southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later. Showers, then thundery rain. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. West backing south or southwest 3 to 5, increasing 6 to gale 8. Showers, thundery rain later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor later. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. West 5 to 7, becoming variable 2 to 4, then south or southeast 6 to gale 8. Showers, perhaps squally at first, thundery rain later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man. West 5 to 7, becoming variable 2 to 4, then south or southeast 6 to gale 8. Showers, perhaps squally at first, thundery rain later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. Variable 2 to 4, becoming southeast 6 to gale 8, veering south 5 to 7 later. Rain or squally showers. Good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Variable 2 to 4, becoming southerly or southeasterly 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Rain or squally showers. Good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Variable 2 to 4, becoming southeast 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Rain or squally showers. Good, occasionally poor later. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. North veering east or southeast 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8 later. Rain or sleet, then squally showers. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles. North or northeast 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 to 6, then veering east 6 to gale 8 later. Showers. Good, occasionally moderate. That completes the shipping bulletin. But thank you very much for your company. This is Chris Aldridge. Do have a peaceful night, and we'll be back at approximately 5:20 in the morning with the early shipping bulletin. Good night.
And now on BBC Radio 4, the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Sunday, the 31st of December. There are warnings of gales in all areas except Trafalgar and Malin. The general synopsis at 1800. Low Rockall at 966, expected England at 979 by 1800 Sunday. New lows expected Fair Isle 977 and Bailey 981 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Sierra, south at Sierra, northeast 40s. Easterly or southeasterly 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 at times except in north at Sierra. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Southwest 40s, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger. Southerly or southeasterly 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic, mainly southerly 3 to 5. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Fisher, German Bight. Southerly or southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in far north Fisher. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Humber. South veering southwest 6 to gale 8, occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Thames, Dover. South veering southwest 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 for a time. Rain, then thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. White, Portland, Plymouth. South veering west 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 at times until later. Rain, then thundery showers, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Biscay. South veering west, gale 8 to storm 10, decreasing 5 to 7 later. Thundery showers, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Trafalgar. Northwesterly 4 to 6 at first in north, otherwise variable 2 to 4, showers good. Fitzroy. Southwest veering west 7 to severe gale 9, rain or showers good, occasionally poor. Seoul Lundy Fastnet. Southwesterly veering westerly gale 8 to storm 10, decreasing 6 or 7 later, thundery showers moderate or poor, occasionally good. Irish Sea. Southerly veering westerly later 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later, thundery showers good, occasionally poor. Shannon. Northwest gale 8 to storm 10, backing west 4 to 6 later, thundery showers moderate or poor. Rockall. Northwest 7 to severe gale 9, backing west 5 or 6 later, thundery showers good, occasionally poor. Malin. Cyclonic becoming northwest later 5 to 7, thundery showers good, occasionally poor. Hebrides Bailey. Easterly or gale 8 to storm 10, becoming cyclonic 4 to 6 in Hebrides, 7 to severe gale 9 in Bailey, rain or showers good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes and southeast Iceland. Easterly or northeasterly gale 8 to storm 10, rain or showers good, occasionally poor. And now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300 on the 30th of December. Tyree automatic. Southeast by east 6, recent precipitation 7 miles 978, falling. Stornoway east-southeast 5, 22 miles 983, falling more slowly. Lerwick east 7, recent precipitation 24 miles 995, falling. Wick automatic east-southeast 7, rain 2 miles 990, rising more slowly. Aberdeen southwest by west 4, rain 12 miles 983, now rising. Lukers west by south 1, recent drizzle 9 miles 984, falling more slowly. Boomer south by west 2, 16 miles 986, now falling. Bridlington south-southeast 7, 988, falling. Sand Eddy light vessel automatic, south 6, 11 miles 1000. St. Catherine's Point automatic, southwest by south 5, 992, now rising. Jersey, southwest 5, rain 2 miles 994, falling more slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, east by north 6, 990. Scilly automatic, west by south 4, recent rain 13 miles 988, falling slowly. Milford Haven, southwest 3, recent rain 8 miles 985, falling. Aberporth, south 5, 14 miles 985, falling. Valley, south by east 5, recent rain 5 miles 983, falling. Liverpool Crosby, southeast 3, 16 miles 986, falling more slowly. Valentia, west 7, slight showers 3 miles 978, now rising. Ronaldsway, south 6, 983, falling more slowly. Malin Head, southeast by south 4, 14 miles 976, falling. And Machrihanish automatic, southeast by south 6, 11 miles 979, falling more slowly. And here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Saturday the 30th of December. The general situation: a deep area of low pressure will slowly move eastwards across southern Scotland and northern England on Sunday. This will bring gales or severe gales to many waters, with storm-force winds possible in the south and far north. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Easterly or southeasterly 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 3 to 5 except in far north, then becoming variable 2 or 3 later in south. Rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor at first. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Southeasterly 7 or gale 8 at first in far north, otherwise variable 2 to 4. Rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor at first. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. South or southeast 6 or 7, decreasing 4 or 5, then becoming cyclonic later. Rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor at first. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Southeast 6 to gale 8, veering south or southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Southerly 6 to gale 8, veering southwesterly 4 to 6 in north, 7 to severe gale 9 in south. Rain, then thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Southerly veering westerly or southwesterly 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 for a time. Rain, then thundery showers, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. South veering west or southwest 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 at times. Rain, then thundery showers, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. Southwest 5 to 7, veering west 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 at times. Rain, then thundery showers, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Land's End to St. David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Southwest 5 to 7, veering west 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 at times. Thundery showers, moderate or poor, occasionally good. St. David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St. George's Channel. South 4 to 6, veering west to southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Southerly, veering westerly later, 5 to 7, but becoming variable 3 or 4 for a time, in north, then occasionally gale 8 later in south. Thundery showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man. South 5 or 6, soon veering southwest, then west or northwest 6 or 7 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate or poor. Lochfoyle to Carlingford Loch. Southerly 5 to 7, becoming cyclonic 4 to 6, then westerly 5 or 6 later, occasionally 7 later in south. Showers soon becoming fair, then rain later, good, occasionally moderate or poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southerly or southeasterly 4 to 6, becoming variable 2 to 4, then northerly or northwesterly 4 to 6 later. Showers, perhaps thundery, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Southeast 5 to 7, backing east 4 or 5, then becoming variable 2 to 4 later. Showers, perhaps thundery, good, occasionally poor later. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. East or southeast 4 to 6, becoming variable 2 to 4, showers, good. And Shetland Isles, east or southeast 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 at times until later. Rain, moderate or poor. And that completes the shipping forecast. Well, that's it for another day here on BBC Radio 4, and indeed for another year. On behalf of my colleague Lisa Costello in the newsroom and myself, Al Ryan, here in Broadcasting House, if you have been, thanks for listening. Have a safe, quiet and peaceful night and New Year. And as we say in the old country, of Líana Fuiwash a Gwich, Happy New Year, good night, Ihawa.
This is BBC Radio 4. Now here's the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Monday, the 1st of January 2024. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North Utsira, South Utsira, Forties, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames, Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockhall, Malin, Fair Isle, Faroes and Southeast Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. Low, England 978, expected German Bight 994 by 1800 on Monday. Low Bailey 976, expected southeast Iceland 979 by the same time. A new low 975, Rockall 975, expected by that time. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Utsira, South Utsira, northeast 40s. Southeasterly 6 to gale 8, increasing severe gale 9 to storm 10 at times, except in North Utsira. Showers mainly good. Southwest 40s, Cromarty, 4th, Tyne, Dogger. Cyclonic 4 to 6, becoming southeasterly 5 to 7 later in Tyne and Dogger. Showers mainly good. North Fisher, easterly 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 at times, rain or sleet, moderate or poor. South Fisher, German Bight, occasionally 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later in German Bight, showers mainly good. Humber, Thames, Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth. West backing southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first except in Humber, squally showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Biscay, west backing southwest 5 or 6, increasing 7 or gale 8 later, perhaps severe gale 9 later, squally showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, variable 3 becoming southwest 4 to 6 later, showers, good. Fitzroy, Seoul, west backing southwest 5 to 7, increasing 7 to severe gale 9 later, rain or squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, west backing southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first, showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Irish Sea, cyclonic 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 at times, showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, Rockall, Malin, west 5 to 7, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8 later, showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides, Bailey, cyclonic becoming southeasterly later 4 to 6, showers, good. Fair Isle, Faroes, southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally 9 at first, decreasing 5 in south, rain, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, northeasterly gale 8 to storm 10, veering easterly 6 to gale 8 later, rain, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Now, weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyre automatic. Northwest 4, heavy rain, 1.5 miles, 986, rising. Stornoway, west-southwest 1, 15 miles, 984, rising slowly. Lerwick, east-southeast 8, rain, 2 miles, 989, rising slowly. Wick automatic, north by west 1, slight rain, 1,100 meters, 984, rising slowly. Aberdeen, north 1, slight rain, 1,100 meters, 985, rising. Leuchars, west by north 1, fog 300 meters, 985, rising. Boomer, northwest 3, 2 miles, 984, rising. Bridlington, southwest 4, 984, rising slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, west-southwest 8, 5 miles, 996. St. Catherine's Point automatic, west by south 7, 988, rising. Jersey, west 6, 5 miles, 1004, rising. Channel light vessel automatic, west-southwest 8, 1001. Scilly automatic, west by north 6, 7 miles, 1004, rising. Milford Haven, west-northwest 5, 13 miles, 997, rising quickly. Aberporth, west 7, 11 miles, 995, rising quickly. Valley, west 6, 12 miles, 991, rising quickly. Liverpool Crosby, northwest by west severe rain, 2 miles, 988, rising quickly. Valencia, west by north 5, 14 miles, 1001, rising slowly. Ronaldsway, west by north 6, 988, rising. Malin Head, northwest by west 6, recent drizzle, 13 miles, 988, rising quickly. Machrihanish Automatic, east by south 1, recent rain, 13 miles, 986, rising. And finally, here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours. The general situation, low pressure over northern England, will drift eastwards into the North Sea. Gales or severe gales will continue for a while tonight in the south. Lighter winds are expected for a time on New Year's Day, before more rain and gales move in from the west. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Southeasterly 5 to 7 at first across northern Orkney, elsewhere variable 2 to 4, becoming southeasterly 4 or 5 later. Rain or showers, moderate or good. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed. Westerly 4 to 6 at first in south, otherwise variable 2 to 4, becoming southeasterly 4 to 6 later. Showers at first, good, occasionally moderate at first. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. West 4 to 6, backing south 3 or 4, then southeast 5 to 7 later. Rain or showers at first, good, occasionally moderate at first. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. West or southwest 5 to 7, backing south 4 or 5, then southeast 5 to 7 later. Rain or showers at first, good, occasionally moderate at first. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Southwesterly 6 to gale 8, backing southerly or southeasterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later. Showers, then fair for a time. Rain later, good, occasionally poor later. North Foreland to Selsey Bell. Westerly 7 to severe gale 9, backing southwesterly 4 to 6, then increasing 6 to gale 8 later. Squally showers at first, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Selsey Bell to Lyme Regis. West 7 to severe gale 9, backing south 4 to 6, then veering southwest 6 to gale 8 later. Squally showers at first, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. West 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first, backing southwest 4 to 6, then increasing 6 to gale 8 later. Squally showers at first, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Westerly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first, backing southwesterly 4 to 5, then increasing 6 to gale 8 later. Showers, rain later, good, becoming moderate or poor later. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. West 6 to gale 8, backing southwest 4 or 5, then 5 to 7 for a time later. Showers, rain later, good, becoming moderate or poor later. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. West 6 to gale 8, backing south 3 or 4, then southeast 5 to 7 later. Occasionally gale 8 later. Rain or showers, becoming mainly fair, then rain later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man. West 6 or 7, backing south 3 or 4, southeast 6 or 7 later. Scattered showers dying out, then rain later, good, falling moderate or poor in showers and rain. Lochfoyle to Carlingford Loch. Northwest 5 to 7, backing southwest 4 or 5, then southeast 5 to 7 later. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Northwesterly 5 to 7, backing southwesterly 3 to 5. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Northwest 5 to 7, backing southwest 3 to 5. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Variable 3 or less, becoming southwesterly, then southeasterly later. Showers later, rain later, good, occasionally moderate later in south. Shetland Isles. southeasterly 7 or gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first in southeast, decreasing 5 to 7 later. Occasional rain, moderate or poor, occasionally good. And that completes the shipping bulletin. Here's wishing you a very happy new year and a peaceful night.
Now on BBC Radio 4, time for the shipping forecast, issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Tuesday, the 2nd of January, 2024. There are warnings of gales in all areas except Tyne, Trafalgar and Rockall. The general synopsis at 1800, low Rockall 974, expected Hebrides 970 by 1800 Tuesday. Low German Bight 995, losing its identity by same time. New low Humber 971, expected by that time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking North-Sierra, southeasterly 6 to gale 8, increasing gale 8 to storm 10 in Viking. Sleet or snow showers, good, occasionally very poor. South-Sierra, northeast 40s, easterly gale 8 to storm 10, occasionally violent storm 11 later in South-Sierra. Occasional sleet or snow, moderate to very poor. Southwest 40s, Cromarty, southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Forth, Tyne, Dogger, southeast 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first except in Tyne, becoming variable 3 later. Rain, good, occasionally poor. North Fisher, easterly gale 8 to storm 10, sleet or snow, moderate to very poor. South Fisher, German Bight, cyclonic 4 to 6, becoming southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later in Fisher. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Humber, southeast veering southwest 5 to 7, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8 later, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Thames, Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, southwest 6 to gale 8, increasing severe gale 9 for a time. Rain, thundery showers later, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, southwest 4 to 6, showers, good. Fitzroy, Seoul, southwesterly 7 to severe gale 9, but decreasing 5 or 6 at first in Seoul. Rain, thundery showers later, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, southwest 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic 7 to severe gale 9, perhaps storm 10 later in Lundy. Rain, thundery showers later, good, occasionally poor. Irish Sea, southwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 7 or gale 8 later in south, perhaps severe gale 9 later in south. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, cyclonic 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 except in Rockall. Rain or thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Fairall, Faroes, southeast Iceland, southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later except in southeast Iceland. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree automatic, southeast by east 6, rain, 16 miles, 982 falling. Stornoway, east 5, 24 miles, 986 falling. Lerwick, southeast 6, slight rain, 6 miles, 995 falling slowly. Wick automatic, southeast 4, 13 miles, 990 falling. Aberdeen, northeast by north 1, mist, 1.5 miles, 990 falling. Lucas, southeast by east 4, 8 miles, 988 falling. Boomer, southeast 5, slight rain, 2 miles, 988 falling more slowly. Bridlington, southeast by east 7, 987, falling very rapidly. St. Catherine's Point automatic southwest by west 7, 991, falling quickly. Jersey southwest 6, slight rain, 1 mile, 997, falling more slowly. Channel light vessel automatic west by south 8, 992. Scilly automatic southwest by west 5, missed 2 miles, 993, rising more slowly. Milford Haven west by south 6, 6 miles, 987, rising. Aberporth west-southwest 7, 8 miles, 986, rising. Valley southwest 5, 5 miles, 983, rising slowly. Liverpool Crosby south by east 4, slight rain, 2 miles, 983, now rising. Valencia southwest 4, 5 miles, 986, rising slowly. Ronaldsway west-southwest 5, 979, falling more slowly. Malinhead southeast by east 7, moderate rain, 3 miles, 979, falling more slowly. Machrihanish automatic east by south 6, rain, 3 miles, 981, falling more slowly. Here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Monday, the 1st of January. General situation: a band of rain moves northeast across the UK overnight, with a further band moving across the south on Tuesday morning. Strong winds are expected in all areas, with widespread gales and thundery showers to follow on Tuesday afternoon in southern England and Wales. From Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in far north, but decreasing 4 or 5 later in Moray Firth. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Southeast becoming cyclonic, then south later 4 to 6, increasing severe gale 9, severe, increasing 7 or gale 8 for a time, mainly near Rattray Head. Rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby, southeast 5 to 7, backing southwest 3 or 4, rain becoming fair for a time, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, southeast 5 to 7, backing southwest 3 to 5, then becoming variable 3 or less for a time, occasionally 6 later. Rain, becoming fair for a time, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, southerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8 for a time. Rain, becoming fair for a time, moderate or good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Selseybill, southwesterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain, showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Selseybill to Lyme Regis, southwest backing south for a time 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain, showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, west or southwest 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain or drizzle, then thundery showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St. David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, southwesterly 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic 7 to severe gale 9, perhaps storm 10 later, then southwesterly 6 to gale 8 later. Rain or drizzle, then thundery showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. St. David's Head to Great Ormhead, including St. George's Channel, southwesterly 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8 for a time, perhaps severe gale 9 later in south. Rain or drizzle, then thundery showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Great Ormhead to the Mull of Galloway, cyclonic mainly southeast 5 to 7, becoming southwest 4 to 6, rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man, southwest 5 or 6, occasionally 7 at first, rain later. Good, occasionally moderate or poor later. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. Cyclonic 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in far north, becoming southerly or southwesterly 4 to 6. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Easterly 5 to 7, veering southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, east or southeast, becoming cyclonic 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first. Rain, then showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, easterly or southeasterly, becoming cyclonic later 5 to 7, decreasing 4 at times later. Rain, then showers, good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles, southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later, mainly in south. Occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin here on BBC Radio 4. That's all from us tonight. We'll be joining the BBC World Service shortly. I am Neil Nunes, wishing you a very good night. Now on BBC Radio 4, it's time for the shipping forecast, issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Wednesday, the 3rd of January. There are warnings of gales in Viking, North Atsera, South Atsera, Forties, Cromarty, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames, Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, Fitzroy, Sole, Lundy, Fastnet, Shannon, Rockall, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes, and Southeast Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. Low Humber 971, expected Denmark 981 by 1800 Wednesday. Low South Hebrides 970, expected North Hebrides 979 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Atsera, easterly or southeasterly 6 to gale 8, but severe gale 9 or storm 10 at first in South Viking. Occasional snow, good, occasionally very poor. South Atsera, northeast Forties, easterly gale 8 to storm 10, occasionally violent storm 11 at first, sleet or snow, moderate to very poor. Moderate icing in South Atsera. Southwest Forties, Cromarty, southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first, rain, good, occasionally poor. Forth, Tyne, Dogger, cyclonic 4 to 6, but 6 to gale 8 at first in Dogger, occasionally 7 in Forth, rain, good, occasionally poor. Fisher, easterly gale 8 to storm 10, occasionally violent storm 11 in North, sleet or snow, moderate to very poor, light icing. German Bight, Humber, cyclonic gale 8 to storm 10, decreasing 5 to 7 later, rain, moderate or poor. Thames, southwest gale 8 to storm 10, decreasing 4 to 6, squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, west or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9, except in Dover and White. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, South Fitzroy, westerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, showers, good. North Fitzroy, Sole, Lundy, Fastnet, westerly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 until later. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Irish Sea, west 4 to 6, showers, good. Shannon, westerly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in south. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, cyclonic 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 except in Malin, showers, good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes, east or southeast 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 at first in Fair Isle, rain or sleet, moderate or poor. Southeast Iceland, easterly 6 to gale 8, wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300, Tyree automatic, southwest 4, slight rain, 7 miles, 976, rising slowly. Stornoway, east-southeast 4, slight rain, 2 miles, 975, rising slowly. Lerwick, southeast by east 7, rain, 3 miles, 990, rising slowly. Wick automatic, southeast 7, slight rain, 3 miles, 980, rising more slowly. Aberdeen, southeast by east 3, slight rain, 1.5 miles, 980, rising slowly. Lucas, east-northeast 1, rain, 1,200 meters, 979, rising slowly. Boomer, south-southwest 1, slight rain, 1 mile, 980, rising slowly. Bridlington, west-southwest 2, 981, rising more slowly. Sandettie, light vessel automatic, west-southwest 8, 2 miles, 989. Greenwich, light vessel automatic, west-southwest 7, 2 miles, 991. St. Catherine's Point automatic, west by south 7, 990, rising slowly. Jersey, southwest 6, mist, 5 miles, 995, now falling. Channel, light vessel automatic, west-northwest 7, 991. Scilly automatic, southwest by west 6, recent precipitation, 7 miles, 990, now rising. Milford Haven, southwest by west 3, recent drizzle, 5 miles, 985, falling slowly. Aberporth, southwest 4, 11 miles, 985, now falling. Valley, southwest 5, 6 miles, 983, rising more slowly. Liverpool Crosby, west by south 4, recent rain, 9 miles, 983, rising. Valencia, southwest 3, 9 miles, 983, now rising. Ronaldsway, west by south 4, 982, rising slowly. Malinhead, southwest 4, 19 miles, 978, rising slowly. Machrihanish automatic, west by south 4, 27 miles, 979, rising slowly. Here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Tuesday, the 2nd of January. General situation: a slow-moving area of low pressure to the west of Scotland continues to bring rain and locally severe gales to the far north of Scotland. An unstable west or southwesterly airflow across the south brings thundery showers and gale or severe gale force winds. From Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in north, occasional rain with sleet at times near Orkney, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed. Southeasterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in north but variable 2 to 4 at first in south, rain, moderate or poor, occasionally good. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby, variable 2 to 4, becoming cyclonic 3 to 5 later, rain, then showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, westerly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first in south, rain, then showers, moderate, good, occasionally moderate. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, southwesterly 5 to 7, veering westerly 4 to 6 later, showers, moderate or good. North Foreland to Selsey-Bill, southwesterly 6 to gale 8, veering westerly 5 to 7 later, thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Selsey-Bill to Lyme Regis, west or southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally 5 close inshore, thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, Westerly or southwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally 5 in east and severe gale 9 in west. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St. David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Westerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 at times. Showers, thundery at times. Good, occasionally poor. St. David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St. George's Channel. Westerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in south. Showers, perhaps thundery. Good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. West or southwest 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later. Rain, then showers, moderate or good. Isle of Man. West or southwest 4 or 5, decreasing 3 or 4, then increasing 5 or 6 later. Occasional rain at first, then mainly fair. Good, occasionally moderate or poor at first. Lochfoyle to Carlingford Loch, southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in far north and far south. Showers. Good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later. Showers. Good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, southwest veering west later 4 to 6. Showers. Good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, cyclonic 4 to 6, becoming southeasterly 7 or gale 8 in north. Rain or showers, perhaps thundery. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles, southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first in south, decreasing 5 later in north. Rain or sleet, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. And that completes the Shipping Bulletin. I am Neil Nunes, wishing you a good night.
This is BBC Radio 4. Now, the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Thursday, the 4th of January. There are warnings of gales in Viking, South Utsira, Forties, Cromarty, Fisher, German Bight, White, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, Fitzroy, Fair Isle, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. Low, Hebrides 979, expected Faroes 987 by 1800 Thursday. Atlantic low 1007, expected Portland 989 by same time. The area forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Utsira, North South Utsira. Southeasterly 4 to 6, but 6 to gale 8 in southwest Viking. Occasional snow, good, occasionally very poor. South South Utsira, 40s, Cromarty. Easterly or southeasterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first in South Utsira. Rain or snow, good, occasionally very poor. Moderate icing in South Utsira. Forth Tyne Dogger. East or southeast 4 to 6. Rain, good, occasionally poor. Fisher. East or northeast 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Sleet or snow. Good, occasionally very poor, light icing. German Bight. Cyclonic 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in north, becoming easterly 4 to 6. Rain or snow. Good, occasionally very poor. Humber, Thames, Dover. West or northwest 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic later, increasing 7 or perhaps gale 8 later in Dover. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. White, Portland. West 6 to gale 8, backing southwest 3 to 5, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Plymouth, Biscay. West 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later in Plymouth, then west or northwest 4 to 6. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar. Southwest, veering northwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Fitzroy. Cyclonic 6 to gale 8. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon. West, veering north or northwest 4 to 6, increasing 7 or perhaps gale 8 later in Seoul and Shannon. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin. West veering northwest 4 to 6. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides, Bailey. Cyclonic 5 to 7. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes. East or southeast becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland. Northeasterly 5 to 7, becoming cyclonic 6 to gale 8 later. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Now, the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic. West-southwest 4, recent drizzle. 14 miles, 989, rising slowly. Stornoway. South by west 3, recent rain. 24 miles, 985, rising slowly. Lerwick. Southeast 6, slight rain. 13 miles, 996, rising slowly. Wick Automatic. Southeast by south 6, rain. 2 miles, 990, rising more slowly. Aberdeen. Southeast 4, rain. 3 miles, 992, rising slowly. Lucas. Southeast 1, rain. 4 miles, 991, rising slowly. Boomer. South by east 1, slight rain. 1200 metres, 993, rising more slowly. Bridlington. West by north 2, 993, rising. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic. West by south 6, 11 miles, 998. Greenwich Light Vessel Automatic. West 7, 5 miles, 1000. St Catherine's Point Automatic. West 6, 1000, rising. Jersey. West 6, 6 miles, 1005, rising more slowly. Channel Light Vessel Automatic. West-northwest 7, 1002. Scilly Automatic. West by south 5, recent precipitation. 9 miles, 1004, rising more slowly. Milford Haven. West 4, 13 miles, 999, rising. Aberporth. West by south 6, recent precipitation. 13 miles, 998, rising. Valley. West by south 4, recent rain. 22 miles, 995, rising more slowly. Liverpool Crosby. Southwest 4, recent rain. 8 miles, 995, rising. Valentia. West by south 4, 15 miles, 1000, now falling. Ronaldsway. West 3, 994, rising slowly. Malin Head. Southwest 4, 19 miles, 991, rising slowly. Machrihanish Automatic. Southwest 4, 24 miles, 991, rising slowly. Now, the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300. General situation. A slow-moving area of low pressure to the northwest of Scotland continues to bring rain and gales to the far north of Scotland. An unstable westerly or southwesterly airflow across the south brings showers and locally gale-force winds here, although these will be easing in the early hours of Thursday morning. Another area of low pressure will move northeastwards across the English Channel during Thursday, bringing further rain and gales in southern areas. Cape Wrath to Rattree Head, including Orkney. Southeasterly 6 to gale 8, decreasing 4 or 5 in Moray-Firth and northwest. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Rattree Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed. Southeasterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in north, becoming variable 2 to 4 in south. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. Cyclonic 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in north, becoming westerly or southwesterly 2 to 4. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Variable, mainly west 2 to 4. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Westerly 4 to 6, backing easterly or southeasterly later, then becoming cyclonic. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor later. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Westerly 5 to 7, becoming variable 2 to 4, then becoming cyclonic 5 to 7 later, occasionally gale 8 later. Showers, then fair, then rain later. good, occasionally moderate or poor later. Selsey-Bill to Lyme Regis. West 5 to 7, becoming variable 2 to 4, then cyclonic 4 to 6 later, increasing 6 to gale 8 later. Showers, then fair, then rain later. Good, becoming moderate or poor later. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. West 4 to 6, becoming variable 2 to 4, then cyclonic 5 to 7 later, becoming west 3 to 5 later. Showers, rain for a time, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. West 4 to 6, occasionally 7 at first, becoming variable 2 to 4, then northwest 3 to 5 later. Rain or showers, good, occasionally moderate. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. West 4 to 6, becoming variable 2 to 4 later, occasional showers, good. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Westerly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in south, becoming variable 2 to 4 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Isle of Man. West or southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 for a time, veering northwest 3 or 4 later. Mainly fair, rain later, good, occasionally moderate. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. Westerly or southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in far south. Showers, good. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Southwesterly 3 to 5, veering northwesterly later. Showers, good. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. West or southwest 4 to 6, showers, perhaps thundery later. Good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Cyclonic 4 to 6, showers, perhaps thundery. Good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles. Southeast 6 to gale 8, rain or sleet at times, moderate or good, occasionally poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin. Radio 4 will be back at 5:20 this morning with a shipping bulletin and news briefing. But for now, this is Mark Forrest wishing you a very peaceful good night.